time of our lives. Let's have the time of our lives.
smile is like moonlight dancing in the night. So come on, take my hand. I wanna take this chance to show you so much more. It's in love that I explore. And whoa, love, whoa, love. When you look my way, that is what I say. Whoa, love, whoa, love. 'Cause I wanna be you. Hey. 'Cause I wanna be you. I wanna be you. And this is like a dream. Every move it seems to be so magical within a time that we control. So press your lips to mine. I wanna make this right and pull you close to me and hold you strong throughout the night. And whoa, love, whoa, love. When you look my way, that is what I say. Whoa, love, whoa, love. I wanna be you. Hey. I wanna be you. Hey. I wanna be you. Come dance with me, come fly away. Whoa, come dance with me, fly the night away. Whoa, I wanna be with you, yeah. 'Cause I wanna be with you. Come dance with me. Come on and dance with me. Come dance with me. Whoa. Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me.
Raise a glass, you've made it another year. Happy birthday, have a laugh, crack a smile, even shed a tear. Because it's your birthday. Pop the cork, pour the flute, make a wish, and don't forget to count the candles. Now we celebrate with cheers. Raise your glass to another year. Raise your glass, it's time to have some fun. Happy birthday, yellow cake for another trip around the sun. Because it's your birthday. Coffee or tea, cream and sugar, is it think we've had too much to drink. Happy birthday. One day you're young, and then they say you're aged like wine or tan as leather. Now we face our greatest fear. Raise your glass to another year. Friends and loved ones gather near. Raise your glass to another year.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn out of thin air, around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full-front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the lonely. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love.
Dream alone. No, I don't wanna dream alone. No one ever told me that dreams could be so lonely. And now that I know, I don't wanna dream alone. Will you dream a dream with me? Will you dream a dream with me? It's so much better to dream a dream together. So darling, oh would you please dream a dream with me? dreams all fade away, if my dreams all fade away, as long as you are with me, there's nothing else that I need. And I know I'll be okay if my dreams all fade away. But if my dreams come true, if all my dreams come true, there's more to discover just being with each other. And I've only wanted you, even if my dreams come true. Ooh, I've only wanted you, even if my dreams come true. No matter how far, no matter wherever you are, I'm with you. Deep in your heart, my love, I'll stay when I'm away. No matter how far, no matter the weight, no matter the pain and heartache, I promise all of those lonesome nights apart, you'll be back in my arms, no matter the way. Although there's miles to cross that stretch between us, you're all I dream of. There's nothing too great that can't separate you from my love. No matter how long, no matter the time that has gone between us, darling, I'm yours and I'm yours alone. So I'll always come home, no matter how long. That stretch between us, you're all I dream of. There's nothing too great that can't separate you from my love. No matter how long, no matter the time that has gone between us, oh, darling, I'm yours and I'm yours alone. I'll always come home, no matter how long. I'm yours alone. I'll always come home, no matter how long.
Got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away. Let it be the thing that I am longing for. Let's fly out from Manhattan to the California shore. just to watch the ships at night on the San Francisco Bay. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Don't say you have to go. Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I am longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador, just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Yeah! Don't say you have to go. Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I've been longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador, just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, oh, lover, oh, lover, please, please stay. Please stay. Please stay.
Other guys riding on backbiting and get away with lies. No matter what it takes, who is gonna cry? The only thing that matters is you get what you desire. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid, and avenge yourself on a cold plate. You hear the roll of this shut down when the world will stop without a sound, and the moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. The first time that I met you, I thought it looked so sweet. I stood around for the hills, beating a retreat. And when I heard you talking with that alluring sound, should have recalled the sirens and how that things went down. Living on the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always cut me down like a dreamer's with the grapes. But never mind how I tried to leave you behind. I kept falling in your net. Oh, I've been so blind. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what have you you that repeat and revenge is served on a cold plate, and you hear the roar of the shutdown when the world will stop without a sound. In the moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah, about ourselves, about ourselves. But I know for sure that day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Oh yeah, on a cold plate, on a cold plate, on a cold plate.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a partridge